Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about celery juice. Is it real or is it a scam? You know, you can't miss Kim Kardashian anywhere in America, and when she touts celery juice, well, heck, everybody in America feels they have to do it. And if you Google celery juice, you'll find a lot of stars touting its effect right now. It certainly doesn't have many calories in it. Uh, What caught my eye is that I had a client who came back from a health spa where he had 10 days of fasting, no food, but 2 glasses of celery juice a day. Well, that's still fasting. And he lost about 30 pounds and his blood pressure went away and he felt great. What might that mean? Well, you can actually read there's a whole book written about celery juice by someone who calls himself the medical medium. You can read a book titled that and see all of its benefits. Well, there's precious little hard science about it. And I'd really like to see hard science. What we do know is we do know that celery has a lot of uh, compounds in it like apigenin, which if you have 150 grams of celery extract, you can lower your blood pressure by 8 points over 8 points. You can improve nerve conduction. There is some science showing that that part's all good. What there isn't is reasonable evidence that I think would prove to you that you should do it. Should you get more fiber in your diet? Absolutely. Should we be eating more vegetables? We don't we haven't scratched the surface yet with how much vegetables are good for us. And getting our gut to gut health is clearly a useful thing. Should we fast? Now, here's a really interesting topic. Emphatically, yes. We should all be on a 5-day fast mimicking diet at least 4 times a year. Every one of you, every one of us, 100%. I do it every month because I have crummy genes for diabetes risk, so I'm going to stick with that. But back to celery juice. Is got enough evidence to really justify you doing it? I don't think so. I, Cutting down on calories is a great idea. Eating less food is a great idea. If it substitutes for a meal and that helps you fast, all a great idea. But in and of itself, it isn't the magic. It may be just the medium that's the useful thing. But why the juice and not the fiber? That's my thought. You need the fiber too. Eat the whole celery. Have 3 stalks of celery twice a day. Have that be your dinner. Do that for 3 or 4 days. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about celery juice, fake or sham. But you know, if Jennifer Aniston is in, half of America will follow her. So, God bless.